stories. And as a citizen who lives in this region, I know that I can't do what you do. And what you do is so important and so necessary that I am going to do everything I can to support you in doing what you do.
And one of the definitions of the word valor is courage in the defense of a noble cause. And in the face of situations from flames, the floodwaters, unstable and dangerous individuals, you name it, and more. Today's award recipients showed the absolute utmost courage in the noble cause of keeping Fairfax County safe. And for that, we all thank you.